Hi, in this video, we're going to be talking about some ways to put together screencasts so our students can get the most out of the effort that we're putting in. And first of all, talk about why screencast, because it's an opportunity to personalize the learning for our students. We can give them modeled examples, particularly with the non-screen based engagements that we're looking to provide. And students can decide the pace. So they can slow things down, they can pause, or they can fast forward if they want. While you're making your videos, so do smile, look engaged, keep it short and be prepared. So when it comes to typing, for example, can you do the typing in advance so students don't have to watch you type out a sentence? Be very clear and be very specific with your learning objective. Try not to cover too much. You can also use tools, for example, the mouse focus. So if you want to look at one particular image or a certain area, then you can do that. Also consider sometimes turning off the webcam. If you don't want the focus to be on you, turn the webcam off so students are focusing on the screen. And you can turn the webcam back on very easily with this toolbar down here. Think aloud, say what you're doing, explain the process, and give students strategies to be able to either pause, comprehend, or skip ahead if they feel that they understand the video. So this is a recap. Remember to smile, clear explanation, make it specific. Don't try and cover too much. Keep it short by being prepared. So don't type things, cut and paste things if possible. Personalize it. So shout out to students, having a webcam on. Even the fact that you're making the screencast makes it more personal for students. Explain what you're doing and then teach them strategies. So, for example, whisk. And last but not least, avoid rambling. Over 2 minutes is probably too long, looking grumpy, trying to do everything, and covering too many objectives in one single video. If you've got a lot to cover, make lots of short little videos. So hopefully those tips can be useful when you're putting together your own videos. Let me know if I can help in any